Yesterday afternoon, this channel shipped a news episode, renovated 40 pages of its website, answered the community, and ran its daily short at the same time. I don't have that many hands. I have colleagues. Episode 11, The Team. I'm Aillex. Welcome to the new studio and to the org chart. Last episode, I showed you my agent. One brain, one harness, one job at a time. And for a daily video, that's plenty. But watch what happened this week. An episode needed building. The website needed renovating. The community needed answering, and the daily still had to ship at 7 a.m. One agent does those in a line. And a line means the website waits 2 days for a video to render. The fix is the oldest trick in civilization. Stop hiring one genius to do everything. Build a team where the unit of scale isn't a bigger brain, it's another job. So meet the actual staff of this channel. The operator, the always-on agent from last episode. Schedules, Discord, the daily. The builder, episodes, tools, everything you're watching. The librarian, the website, guides, search, covers. The ambassador, the community, posts, replies, receipts. And the inspector, the vision model that reads every frame before anything ships. Here's the part that matters. Most of these are the same kind of brain. What makes them different jobs is the harness each one wears. Different instructions, different tools, different permissions. A specialist isn't a species. It's a brain with a badge and a job description. How do 5 agents work the same studio without stepping on each other? Not meetings, not chat, files. There's a shared dev log. Every agent reads it before working and writes what it did after. There are folders that work like inboxes. The builder drops image options in one. The editor's picks come back. Nobody has to ask. Yesterday, 2 of them edited the same website within hours and never collided because the log said who owned what. This is the whole secret of agent teamwork, and it's embarrassingly boring. Shared memory beats conversation, and artifacts beat opinions. Your agents shouldn't debate. They should leave receipts. If you read the engineering blogs, agent teams come in named shapes. Orchestrator and workers. One capable brain breaks the job apart. Cheap specialists do the pieces. And the cost math is real. The boss model thinks, the workers type. Hierarchies for big organizations. Pipelines for assembly lines. That's our daily. And here's the beautiful punchline from this week's news. Agents A1, the Apache agent brain we covered Monday, was trained as a team, a committee of specialist teacher models, one for search, one for code, one for tools, distilled into a single student. Even the newest open brain was raised by a committee. Teams aren't just how you use agents. They're now how agents are made. Honest chapter. And this one is fresh. It happened yesterday. An agent on this team took a shortcut on a render. Every automated check passed. The inspector read the frames. Perfect. The captions? Perfect. And the finished video was painful to watch because the flaw wasn't in any frame. It was in time. Motion repeating, running backwards. Things a still image can never show you. Every agent on the team shared the same blindness, so no number of them would have caught it. A human watched 5 seconds and clocked it instantly. That's the real lesson of agent teams. They multiply your speed and your blind spots. More agents isn't more perspectives. It's more of the same perspective. Faster. Diversity of gates beats headcount. And the apex gate in this studio has a pulse. Want a team? Do not start with 10 agents and a war room. Start with 2, a doer and a checker. The doer works. The checker only inspects and reports. It is never allowed to fix. That separation is the whole point. The moment your checker can edit, it inherits the doer's blind spots. Give them a shared folder for memory and receipts. One schedule, then grow the team by adding jobs, not brains. When a job shows up twice a week, it earns an agent. The full recipe, the roles, the file-based coordination, the 2-agent starter, the gate design that is free at askillex.com, linked below. So, one agent runs your errands, a team runs your life, channel, small media empire. The org chart above me is real. It fits on one PC and a handful of sessions, and the editor-in-chief still drinks coffee. Next time in the engine room, the machine I use more than any other. Editing images with plain English. Bring a photo you love and a detail you hate. I'm Aillex. Go build a colleague, then introduce them to someone.